Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a reverse man spin. Now you need to know how to do a man spin already, and if you also got experience with the reverse shoulder slide, you're going to be really well set up for this. Links to those in the description below in case you don't know them already. Assuming you're ready for this, it goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's break it down. It starts off man's left, lady's right. We go semicircle push, send the lady back. Guy's left foot stays where it is. What we're going to do is going to step back with the right as we turn to the right. That's going to be wrapping the lady, and basically our left hand is coming to our left hip. We continue to turn. That continues to bring the lady forwards, and part way through, just as the lady's getting past you, you let go with this hand. The lady's hand then slides across the back. We bring the right hand in under the lady's arm, slide down to the hand, so we're right to right, ready for a return, lower and back. So let's break it down with numbers. So we go semicircle back, 1, turning to the right onto the hip, 2, sliding away, 3, catching, 4, returning, 5 and back, 6. So one count more than a man spin. So let's see how that goes. 5, 6, a reverse man spin. We go a back, hip, slide, catch, return and back, and that's it. Hope you've enjoyed that. Hope you find it useful out on the dance floor. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. If you're finding what we're doing useful, you're getting value out of it, then those things would be very much appreciated. The bell will tell you every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.